Just a little quick update. Got the intake manifold taken off. Gonna be cleaning up everything, installing TGV deletes, so we kind of had to do it. Everything's still really organized. Just waiting for this weekend. Should be getting the heads back on Thursday, and we'll be able to get to it. And this stuff just came in the mail. New elbow for the top mount, idler gear, and some fancy paint. Today I'm going to be basically painting this guy. It's the throttle body. Got him all taped up, marked off, ready to go. Last night I started polishing up the brackets. Today I'm going to be doing the same thing to the injector guards. You can see this is a before. Should be a fun day. Get everything done, get everything cleaned up, ready to go. I'm going to be taking the intake manifold to my buddy Tyler probably today or tomorrow, and a few other bits and pieces. But yeah, keep you guys updated as go along. While I was waiting for the paint to dry on that, I went ahead and polished up his turbo heat shield. Came out really nice. Yeah. It's gonna go really well with all the other polished bits. But yeah, I got everything in the back seat. I'm gonna go see Tyler here later on tonight, drop the stuff off to him, and hopefully he can get everything back by Saturday. Alright, well, next up, I'm gonna go ahead and polish up the injector guards. Just gonna sand them down right quick with some 1000 grit, and then put them on the polishing wheel. Alright, I think that's going to be it for this little update. Appreciate y'all checking it out. See you on the next one.